Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, software, and physical condition. First, make sure iOS is updated. Face ID often fails on older builds. Power the phone off, remove any case, and clean the true depth area with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl. Dirt or oil can confuse sensors. Next, visually inspect for cracks or misaligned screen repairs. These alter sensor alignment. Once done, reboot the phone and go to Face ID settings so you can see the current error messages and attempt a fresh Face ID setup. You now run diagnostics by attempting a new Face ID enrollment, open settings, choose Face ID and passcode, and follow the guided scans. If enrollment fails, reset all settings. This clears configuration conflicts but preserves your data, then try again. Also test in varied lighting and without sunglasses or heavy makeup, because the true depth camera maps depth and infrared reflections. If setup still fails, check the Face ID error text. It often hints at sensor calibration or hardware faults, which determines whether to pursue deeper fixes or service. You finish with hardware verification and recovery options. If you have repair experience, power down and carefully inspect DisplayBoard and sensor connectors for loose cables or corrosion, because a dropped phone can jar them. If software appears at fault, back up your device and try a full restore via recovery mode. This rules out deep software corruption. Finally, if Face ID remains unavailable, contact Apple or a certified repair shop. True depth replacement requires calibrated parts. This is the one key troubleshooting tip if your own steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.